Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence, their part number CRL8010DP. This is an adjustable dual-purpose floor or threshold bottom pivot set. So let's go over it. This is obviously a center-hung pivot, and dual-purpose means that you're going to get these two pieces. You can have this floor plate that gets attached to the floor, and you would, of course, use this, or you could abandon the bolt connection here, okay, and install this into your right into the bottom plate. Now, this assembly is intended if you're going to install this right down to a threshold. So if you had, and you certainly will have a threshold installed, you're not going to have room for this bottom plate easily, not without notching, accommodating the threshold. You can drill a hole in the threshold itself, bolt this unit to the threshold, install the threshold, then the door will actually rest on this spindle with the bottom arm. Okay, so what I'm saying is it's either this to the threshold or this without these bolts for the threshold down to the floor plate. Okay, is how that'll install. That's your dual purpose. Mounts directly to the floor or to the threshold. Let's get some dimensions. Let's start with the floor plate first. The width, about 1 15/16. Overall, about 3 3/4. Height of the item, about 5/8 down to where the threaded insert area is. Spindle material, an overall height of the threaded portion is about 1 7/8 inches. Okay. Now the arm for the bottom of the door, which is going to snap onto in an end load sort of installation where the door will click onto it, approaching that from the end of the door, from the edge, the 1 3/4, assuming it's 1 3/4. So the bottom arm portion, about 5 inch overall. Its widest portion over here, about 1 3/8. And the overall height here, about 5/8 of an inch. For use with this material can be used with an end load or a side load arm, but this is certainly an end load arm. Used with 1 inch deep bottom door rail applications and is the standard bottom pivot set supplied with C.R. Lawrence's S&A type packaged door closer. You could be looking at an overhead concealed door closer from C.R. Lawrence, and this will be the bottom portion of an S or an A type. 1 inch inverted bottom channel. All of the math of the adjustability of this ball bearing spindle, the floor plate if it's used, along with the bottom arm, is meant for a 1 inch inverted bottom channel. 200-pound capacity, that's certainly going to be well within the range of aluminum doors, and allows a 3/16 of an inch height adjustment, okay, to allow you to accommodate what's going to happen with the door and frame. In the aluminum finish, obviously. Okay. Well, that's not exposed, but this portion is exposed. Now, finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to all of their subsection product catalogs. And the CRL8010DP would certainly be found in the architectural hardware catalog. The reason they're broken out is there's just simply too many products from C.R. Lawrence to have in one catalog. It would be 2 feet thick, would be my guess. The name C.R. Lawrence is certainly synonymous with overhead closers, with exit devices, with aluminum storefront hardware such as this pivot set, door and window gasketing, shower door hardware, whether it's hinges or gaskets or towel bars, push and pull sets for glass enclosures for residential and commercial shower door hardware, and then a number of other items like architectural metals. If you have any questions on the C.R. Lawrence CRL8010DP dual purpose floor or threshold bottom pivot set or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.